All right, let's jump right in. We're getting into a live session. Last night we charted the market, found a few setups that we were interested in, and now we're at the point where it's time to execute. The part that is one of the most important. All right. So we entered in this gold sale. Right now, we're up. I believe it was 1 to 5. Oh no, we're up 1 to 7 right now. Our TP1 just got hit, so big win on the first TP. Win, 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 win. Yeah. So a 1 to 7 on the first TP, man. If this thing breaks and goes just to our second TP, that's a 1 to 16 on this gold sale, which is setting up pretty beautifully right now. All right, the other thing that we entered in was U.S. oil. TP1 on U.S. oil is here, so we're pretty close. All right. U.S. oil was in this uptrend here, so I was looking at the possibility of price continuing after retesting this area. This was our first entry, and this was our second entry on U.S. oil. And right now we are close to that TP1. Now let's see what else we got in. AUD JPY. Yeah, so we added a new position on AUD JPY right here at this area. Let me double check. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, we got a beautiful entry right here on AUD and JPY that puts us up 1 to 6 right now. Our TP2 is already hit. So if we reach back to TP2, that's a 1 to 15. And if we make it all the way to our third target, that's a 1 to 30. Wow. Now, one of the trades that turned around on us was this Euro JPY. So I entered right here on this retest. It dropped, hit TP1, hit one of our 2 hour zone, and pulled back. And it's now threatening to either retest this high or break above this high on Euro JPY. And also Euro pound. Euro pound looked like it was on an uptrend as well, or at least starting one. Looked like it was about to break this level of consolidation right here and give us a downtrend structural break. But it looks like it wants to keep going. Either way is fine. Okay? Because the only thing that we would need to do is wait for a break in these lows. So we already got the alert set here. Let's just see how everything plays out. Oh yeah, it looks like it wants to continue. Yeah, I thought we would get a deeper pullback before a continuation of this downtrend. But either way, it's fine. At least to retest this trend line here. Okay. Oh, look at that right on the 382. So if this is hit, then we'll have a lesson on this trade. But it's okay because all of the trade setups that we took, we made sure that our risk reward was so beneficial that it's all right to lose this 3%. Because on gold alone, we are up, like I said, almost 1 to 8. So that's 3% times 7. And this is why I want to go live and show you guys how we execute these trades, because this is the thing that sets you apart. Not necessarily finding winning trades or make a mistake in losing trades. It's being able to control your risk reward and holding your trades to let them play out and reach all of those levels. So with this one setup, and with us having a really nice system of entering these trades, this thing says it gives us a 1 to 30. Pretty much if you put up $10, you win $300 on gold. And this is the power of the market. But we got a lot of impatient people, just to be frank, when it comes to trading, because they see how fast you can make the money, and we skip the steps like discipline and patience, and we make more mistakes than we make profit. But all of the money is here. It's just up to you to allow it to come to you. All right, so again, that lesson on Euro JPY, we're winning right here, and our other winning trade was AUD JPY. This trade is already up 1 to almost 7. So we're down 2 trades, but the 3 trades that we're up, our odds are at least 1 to 7 right now, and they still have room to climb. All right, so when did I do that? Oh, I missed the retest. Okay. So this is the same thing that we were looking for on Euro. What was that? Euro pound. We hit daily levels, and we're looking for a deeper pullback, but it was a real insignificant move, just a quick bounce, and then a continuation in that downtrend. So it looks like the next target are the levels that we have set here. So what we want to do is just be patient. Price did leave a double top right here, and there's a double top here. Let's look at the line chart. When you see those double tops in the market, those are areas that are normally retested by price. And what I do is I wait until I see pullbacks to those areas to find high probability setups. And to explain that high probability, there is no perfect or guaranteed setup. But if you wait for the market to reach complete highs, or you wait to get in at the lows, what that does is that increases something that we call risk reward. So let's say you entered in your sell right here. You want to sell the market, or let's say you're placing options. You want to place your puts right here at the highs. If you go to the lows, what that does is that gives you a risk reward of 1 to 7. So if you look right here, risk reward ratio 7.07. that lets you know what that ratio is. Now, this is only if you enter in at the highs. When you start doing things like this, you miss the trade, you're chasing the market. That simple thing right there, change your risk reward ratio from 1 to 7 to 1 to 5.9. And this is the thing that kills traders when it comes to growing or compounding their account. You have to be extremely efficient to have an overall winning account when you're taking trades like this. These odds are not in your favor. So at the very least, what you want to do is you want to make sure you see at least 1 to 3. And what that will do for you is allow you to win 40% of your total trade. So out of 10 jump shots at the 3 line, if you hit 40%, you're a good shooter. When it comes to your odds, you have to have your odds set up in that manner, and everything will play out for you. So 40%, that is good, and you're profitable as a trader. So looks like we're going to get a continuation of this downtrend. Again, I am going to set an alert because I want to wait until price pull back to retest those highs to give me a better entry on my position. Oh, look at this, because it definitely has to come back. So let's see if this area right here, we're either going to get a reaction here or here. We'll just set these alerts and let price show us what she wants to do. That's another thing while I'm right there. When I first learned technical analysis, if I saw anything that aligned with something of the teachings, I would automatically take that trade without waiting for extra confirmation. That's another big key. So, patience. Hey you guys, we missed our sale. So this was actually a sale zone right here. We got up to trade London, and I actually forgot to take this damn sale. Now I'm gonna show you exactly what I used in a second. I'm gonna show you well, let me draw it first and then I'll show you. But I want to highlight this area right here. Okay, this always happens after consolidation. After price consolidates and you see all of that movement right there trading sideways, this always happens. So within the market, y'all getting a breakdown in a live session. So within the market, you got 3 different phases. You got price moving in an uptrend, and price moving in a downtrend, and you also have price moving in consolidation in this manner here. Okay? Now, the thing that we do, which is most beneficial, that I teach everybody, is learning how to trap price. Once you notice that you are trading sideways, you need to learn how to trap price and identify those areas like this. I just used 2 boxes to trap price in that consolidation area so I can see it clearly. After that, instead of being married to your bias, wait for price to let you know the overall direction. And I'm gonna show you what I mean. So you may have saw something that told you, okay, price is going down. If you do not get a break beneath, you shouldn't be in that trade. Real simple. Now, right here, it happened. So that's where you should look for your sell. You got that break in that downtrend. I'm sorry, in that consolidation area, and then price fell. Vice versa for your buys. That's where you have that break in structure. So this is where you look for your buys. Okay, now this is exactly, let me get rid of this stuff. This is exactly what we did with that trade setup. So something that simple is stopping you from making money in the market. And that's why I let my 6-year-old and my 8-year-old trade with me when I'm live, to show people how simple this is. And let's look. This is the same example that I drew. Okay, consolidation. Here's the break. That's not the one I wanted to show you. Right here. So here's consolidation. Let me bring this back. It's still all a part of it, but I just want to highlight this area. This is the break right here. And what I did was I highlighted this area with the rectangle, really simple, and I waited on price to pull back to retest this area to let me in a trade. With all of our trades, we make sure that our stop losses are above the highs of that area. So my stop loss would have been here, okay, right above this high. And if we would have just took price to where it fell, that's a 1 to 4 trade off of a sell limit order. And those are orders that automatically open without you actually being there. So once you notice that this area had was an area of interest for you, you just set your order. When the market hits that area, it fills automatically, and you just wake up to money. And that's typically how we enter our trades, using limit orders, but it's based on this concept, just identifying that breaking structure and waiting for the retest. Like, again, let's look right here. Price was trapped right here. Stretch this out so you can see. This candle was the break above. This move was the retest, and from there, you just follow that simple process. That gave you another 1 to 7 trade. Okay? Now we do go more in depth with all of this stuff inside of our courses. You can take the free course. This is going to help you set up your demo account, help you set up your live account. We also have our mindset series, Structure Breaking. This is the real gem to show you how to think properly. A lot of people fail because they really don't see winning as a part of their life story. Some people are programmed to think that they are losers, and that affects them when it's time to execute in the market. But you can start with those free products, so you can hop online with me, make money for free in that live account, or practice to build your confidence in the demo account. Once you feel comfortable, you can move on and take the courses where we walk you through everything and show you how to do these things live time. Yeah, so it looks like our sale is about to continue to play out on this thing, especially if we get a break in this area here. But what we don't want to do is rush into it. All right, this was a strong level of structure. We got a lot of rejections right here, and when price broke above, it also gave us a few rejections. So let's wait to see if we get some type of pullback, maybe to around this level, to enter in this sale. Oh yeah. Now if this thing closed like this, it's gone. We got 9 minutes. It's okay. We can use this level right here where price is. So we'll just wait on this move. And we'll take that trade. It's time to close TRV. I got filled quick. Let's set an alert right here. Let's check out our Netflix. Oh man, look. If Netflix breaks these lows, it is another payday. Serenity. All right, we're calling it live. Netflix falling to 677. All right. Are you what?
I said, is my headphones still in your room?
I'm not sure.
I think they're in the living room. Okay. After last place I saw them.
Looking at the EMAs, this is definitely bearish. We got an inverse head and shoulders on the 1 hour, 30-minute. Two hour, 3 hour. told you guys this sale was coming, man. Once I saw all of this divergence being formed, this was absolutely crazy. All of this divergence on a 4-hour time frame, we definitely got a decent sized pullback underway. And this is the thing with this huge channel that Netflix is moving in right now. This thing could actually fall all the way down to 600 and still be in this uptrend.
When we're done with our work, I was gonna tell mom to come over, that you have to come over here on Wednesday because that's when my birthday is.
She probably already know that.
This thing has a lot of gaps. We filled this gap here. Where are we? Oh, we're in a huge area of consolidation on the weekly. That's a need to know. Right now on the weekly, prices underneath the 200-day EMA, and it just filled the gap here to reject. So you could see a break of the lows if this support level does not hold. There is a gap here that has not been filled with a lot of liquidity underneath this area. Okay, UDJPY, keep going. Keep. Oh gosh. Oh, nothing happened. Nothing happened. See if USO can go a little higher. And if so, let's look for some puts. Yeah, we definitely have a defining moment. Moving closer, all of the EMAs on the smaller time frames are still showing a bearish sentiment. Yep. EMA closing down on them on the 1 hour. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so if it pulls back to $71, taking a put. If we go down to the 618, that's a 1 to 11. I do believe it'll break the 618, honestly. Most likely retest that 786 or this level here. Let's see. $86 days. So we need like 3 months on our contract. Okay. Where are we? So let's find USO. Let's see. October. Gonna go with the January contracts. Okay, here we go. Okay. Wait a little while longer. Time for this. If we get a break above these highs, we want to let it go. So I'm actually about to go ahead and set this order up on my active trader using Thinkorswim. Uh-oh. We got 2,700 from Netflix. Keep going then. We're gonna close some of this. If we get towards the end of the day and it looks like we're pulling back, we'll go ahead and close this position. Oh no. It's time to set up some alerts and go ahead and get up out of here. Now we're going against my Nindo way, which is sitting up waiting on the market. Not gonna happen. USO. Alright, y'all, so this will be it. We're getting real close to our entry on USO. I'm gonna make this option play. We got a couple Forex wins already underway. And what I'm going to do is just show you guys that it's easy, number one, and that it's the same across all instruments, whether you're trading Forex, options, futures. It's all the same as far as technical analysis. The only difference is the platform that you use to enter in those trades, okay? So we got to get rid of this myth about the perfect Forex strategy, perfect option strategy. All of that it's some bullshit. It's a marketing strategy, okay? Technical analysis is technical analysis. And once you understand market structure, you understand the market. All right, so this will be it for today. We ended out with some big wins. Let's go. Win. Yeah. So we'll be back later on tonight for another charting session. I will be trading live Tuesday as well. So you guys want to start, you don't know where to begin, head over to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. Hit that courses tab. At the top, once you get that drop down menu, check out our Mindset Series Structure Breaking. This is the free trial. Also get that 9-day course. This is going to show you how to set up your demo account and your live account so you can trade with me when you see me going live. We also have our 6-week journal. They teach you how to be intentional with your words. Speak your future into existence, okay? Then we have 6 steps to trading with consistent results. It covers everything that I use in our live sessions, whether I'm trading options or Forex. It's in this book. We also have a few log books to help you log your trades and your emotional state in the progress. And we have our merch, so support the vision, you guys, support the dream, and remember that you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?
Okay, let the streets know.